Hey, so I just want to take a break and tell you nice work. If you've been following along, then you've covered a lot of ground already. And this stuff is tricky. It seems like we haven't accomplished an awful lot, right? We have this block in the sidebar, we have our content here, but we've explored half a dozen modules, and we've tackled some really difficult questions like how to position content on a page. We're not done with that yet, but we've already talked about several different approaches that are going to prove really useful no matter what Drupal project you work on. If you need a break, go ahead and take one, stretch, play some music, go out dancing, give yourself a foot massage. Maybe if you've been working a little too long on this, go take a shower. And when you come back, we're going to be doing some more awesome stuff. So I'm going to take a moment here and do a backup of what we've done so far, so you can start from this point later on, or if you're just coming into this series, you can simply load up this backup and begin from here. I'm going to use Coffee by pressing Alt-D, and I'll type backup, and I'll go to backup and migrate, and I'll click backup now. And I'm going to call this 05 Gift of Geek after creating display suite region block, and I'll click save. So if you wanted to start from here, use backup and migrate to load up the 5th backup here called after creating display suite region block.